Hi guys, just thought to do a follow-up video to my first electrifying the column up and down. So I've got a bit of a sore throat on the mill. Anyway, just here you'll see a little panel. See if I can zoom in a bit. If it focuses, which it's not going to. Anyway, you've got centre off switch here, up and down, which obviously refers to the column taking this arrangement up or down. Anyway, let's zoom out to get no wrong way. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to move it round now so you can see the gearing at the back. Right, okay. There's the gearing at the back. The CNC spindle drive motor, spare one that I've got, that I've used. Printed a 3-wheel gear out. I've drilled and tapped that to take that winding handle, just in case the motor ever packs up or anything. You can still manually wind it like so. As you can see, it does work. And now I'll just show you. I've not got a speed controller fitted yet. I intend to put one on. So anyway, that's in the up position now. So if I press the button above it, up it goes. Switch it back down to the down, and down it goes. So it's a little bit too fast, but we'll get to that when we've got the speed controller. Regarding the switch down here in the bottom left hand corner, I've put a picture on of how to wire a double pole double throw switch so that you can use it as a reversing switch, for those of you that don't know how to do it. And the button above it, the red button, is the run button. I incorporated that because otherwise, if you happen to switch that up, it's just going to go. So at least you can switch that up now and press the button to make it go. So it's a determined effort required to do it, and you won't have no accidents, or hopefully not. Okay, I hope you find it interesting. Bye.